Thank you for choosing Memolub, the simple and effective solution for single and multi-point automatic lubrication. The components in your Memolub HPS include the clear housing and spring, the Memo with timing rings and stroke-limiting washers, the pump, the lubricant cartridge, and a battery pack. Before installing the Memolub lubricator, please follow all your company's safety procedures for accessing the lube point. Program the daily lubricant output timing mechanism, called the Memo, by inserting one or a combination of the red, white, and black timing rings into the timing ring holder. For detailed programming instructions, please view our How to Program the Memo System installation instructions. Record the install and changeout date on the white cardboard disc included with your lubricator and insert it on the inside surface of the clear lubricator housing so that the information is visible from the top of the lubricator when assembled. Reassemble the Memolub unit as shown. Place Memolub lubricator on a solid surface. Push down on the housing to compress the spring and turn the locking ring clockwise to lock the unit and complete assembly. Clean the area around the lube point to prevent contaminants from entering the bearing port. Pre-fill the bearing and any adapters with the same grease that is in the Memolub lubricator. Remove the grease fitting. Screw the Memo timing mechanism into the lube point using thread locker. Adapters are available if required. Tighten Memo with a wrench. Do not over-tighten. Screw the Memolub HPS lubricator onto the Memo fitting. The lubricator will cycle immediately and then follow the preset programming. You will feel the Memolub cycling in your hand, and you can hear it cycle in a quiet environment. Contact customer service for any questions and to order your lubricant replacement cartridge kits. 1-800-635-8170. Memolub, the simple and effective solution for single and multi-point automatic lubrication.